Hi, I'm Sanjay here. I'm promoter and president for Zentech Info Solutions Private Limited. Company is into business of IT, software developments, and SAP partners. We do an implementation and support on SAP to major industries, manufacturing industry, service industry, insurance industry, and finance sectors. We have seen the basic reason of this. We have observed one industry observation has been done, which is there's a huge gap between when we hire fresher or fresh graduates and industry. They are totally not aware of how industry works, what is that industry does, how does industry process works, what is an ERP, how they can get into an ERP. This is looking at this gap. We tried to brought in this a small segment. We wanted to fill this gap, and we tried to fill this gap through FinPlan. We came in contact with FinPlan, and we have introduced FinPlan is introducing one course which is called an ERP technologies, wherein we suggest where industry gets a fresher or a fresh graduates understand about an ERP or an SAP, whereas fresh graduates, when they talk about, they know what is the industry process when they come out of their graduation level, and they are aware of an ERP. This will ease the business. This will ease for fresher and for graduates. This will get them ease of getting a jobs into any industry, because today every industry is much organized, working on an ERP, working ERP of any kind. Of course, SAP holds a major shareholding, but as an ERP, if I discuss, every company has its own ERP, and every tier 5 companies work on an ERP. And if they get fresh graduates work on an ERP, that would be a win-win situation for fresh graduates as well as a company. They get resources. Companies has to invest less on students, and students gets a very high chance if they are aware of an ERP. If in industry, if corporate profiles, senior profiles of in every individual models come ahead, and those people teach fresh graduates, and they share their experience, their knowledge to freshers and the graduates, it will give a huge change over to the industry. FinPlan and Zentech had planned something like that, wherein we get faculty as a very senior profiles from the industry specific modules, and they train their students, and that will bring a lot of change and lot of hiring position in industry. If I talk about benefits of an ERP, today if fresh graduates get into this, come up with an ERP knowledge, any stream graduates, when we talk about whether it's a science, BSc IT, BCA, CA, chartered accountants, any company who comes across, if they're aware of the ERP and SAP, that will give a lot of benefits. They will get a good, they can start up with a good package. At the same time, hiring ratio will go far, much above. And in couple of years, or in a span of 3 years, it will complete. In a span of 3 years, they would have a good growth in the industry.